Regards to all of you. Life has ups and downs. Some days might be rough. May Ma Durga give you the courage and the ability to be tough. In this pandemic situation, where the full year 2020 is unpredictable, but the grandness of festivals in India is never to be ignored, especially when it comes for Durga Puja, which signifies the defeat of evil by the power of God. And for this very reason, people across the world celebrate this time with much joy and happiness. May the divine power of Goddess Durga, of fame, name, health, wealth, happiness, humanity, knowledge, power, and prosperity shower upon you and your family members. Stay home, stay safe, listen to your parents, and enjoy your puja nicely. Wishing you and your family members a happy Durga Puja.
Hi students, how are you everybody? Hope you are all fine and be safe in your home. As you all know, Durga Puja is one of the biggest festival, celebration of the mother goddess and the victory of the warrior goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasura. The festival represents female power as Shakti in the universe. It is a festival of good over evil. Durga Puja is one of the greatest festivals of India, as well as Bengal and our neighbor country Bangladesh also. In addition to being a festival for the Hindus, it is also time for a reunion of family and friends and a ceremony of cultural values and customs. The ceremonies bring observance of fast and devotion for 10 days. The last 4 days of the festival, namely Saptami, Ashtami, Navami and Vijaya Dashami, are celebrated with much sparkle and magnificence in India, especially in Bengal and overseas. The Durga Puja celebrations differ based on the place, customs and beliefs. Things differ to the extent that somewhere the festival is on for 5 days, somewhere it is for 7 and somewhere it is for complete 10 days. Jubility begins with Sosti, 6th day and ends of the Vijaya Dashami, the 10th day. As we all know, Goddess Durga was the daughter of Himalaya and Menka. She later became Soti to get married to Lord Shiva. It is believed that the festival of Durga Puja started since the time Lord Rama worshipped the gods to get a grant of powers from her to kill Ravana. Some communities, especially in Bengal, the festival is celebrated by decorating a pandal. In the close regions, some people even worship the goddess at home by making all the arrangements. On the last day, they also go for immersing the statue of the goddess into the holy river, the Gangas. One thing we must have to remember, students, we celebrate Durga Puja to honor the victory of good over evil or light over darkness. Some believe another story behind this festival is that on this day the goddess Durga defeated the demon Mahishasura. She was called upon by the all three lords, Shiva, Brahma and Vishnu, to eradicate the demon and save the world from his cruelty. The battle went on for 10 days and finally on the 10th day, Goddess Durga eliminated the demon. We celebrate the 10th day as Dasera or Vijaya Dashami. Students, I want to give you one more suggestion. Don't gather in a place or in heavy crowded area. As you all know, the very tough situation is going on during this corona pandemic 2020. So be safe in your home, do not gather in any place and must wear mask in everywhere where you are going to engage yourself during this puja vacations. You must use your mask. Don't forget that. Be safe in your home. All the best students, best of luck and wish you a very happy Durga Puja. I would like to wish you a very happy Durga Puja to all. Be safe in your home. Have a good luck, students.
Hi everyone. First of all, a lot of thanks to all of you for being with us during our virtual classes. It's time to welcome Ma Durga. This is autumn season. Though this year 2020 has been unpredictable, but Durga Puja signifies good over evil. And for this year, for this very reason, people across the globe celebrate this time with much joy and happiness. May Ma Durga protects us, our family, from all the evil and empower us with the light of knowledge and truth. May Ma Durga provide you with strength, wisdom, and courage to overcome all obstacles in life. May Ma Durga always guide and bless all of us. May Goddess Durga bestow all happiness and joy in your family for all years to come. Have an auspicious Durga Puja. Keep social distancing. Use mask. Be safe and healthy
Hello
always.
everyone. The most awaited moment is about to begin. That is the Durga Puja celebrations, which is one of the best celebrations in West Bengal. Now for those who worship Goddess Durga, Mahalaya has already ringed in the festive flavors. Durga Puja celebrates the victory of Goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasura. Although this year the situation is still awful due to the spread of the global pandemic. Throughout the country, people await to offer their prayers to the Goddess Durga, seeking strength to overcome the global pandemic. Now, all of us know Goddess Durga is marked as the epitome of woman empowerment and motherhood. This year, we might be able to see many other faces of the goddess. As all of us know, there is a real demon among us, that's the coronavirus. Even people have named this figure as the Coronasur also. So the COVID-19 pandemic may have taken away the pomp and the glamour from this year's festive celebrations, but people have learned to enjoy the festivals following certain safety protocols. So here's wishing everyone a safe and prosperous Durga Puja. Do enjoy the festival with all possible preventive measures. Hope we need not mention them. All of you know what are the preventing measures: avoiding crowd, maintaining social distancing, using masks and sanitizers. Keep the memorable movements of this year's Durga Puja with you safe, and may the divine blessings of Ma Durga ensure good health and happiness in everyone's life, along with the prosperity of our nation. So celebrate with safety. Thank you.
सदृशानना सदशी for good. So we all expect, we are hoping this year the evil of Corona will go away with the Durga Puja. Lord Goddess Durga will bless us and make the world get rid of coronavirus. So I would like to wish you all again a happy Durga Puja and happy Dashera. Stay safe, maintain social distancing, use sanitizers and wear masks wherever you are going for candle hopping. Try to avoid the rush and crowd. Try to remain at home only as necessarily, and if it is very urgent and necessary, then only step out of your house with all precautions with mask and sanitizer. So once again, I wish you a happy Durga Puja and Dashera. Thank you.
In this situation, one thing I want to convey you all, that we all know that this is very hard time, but then also we are communicating with you through the platform of this technological way, which we know that this is a very useful way. We are communicating with each other from many days and we are remaining very far from each other, but then also we are communicating. So in this hard time, it is very impossible for us to make the communication by presenting in front of you, but though this platform has given us opportunity to communicate, wherefrom we are communicating in many ways, and now our great festival in the front is waiting for us, that is the Durga Puja. So from the Ideal Public School side, from my own side and from every teacher's side, I am giving you the wholeheartedly wishes of the happy Durga Puja of 2020, and we also want to convey you that you please stay safe and healthy. According to your safety way, you will enjoy the puja vacation and also try to make your future more bright, and this is our wishes. This is a blessing to you all. We want that everybody of you enjoy your life in your own way, in a bright way, which is waiting for your future ahead, and hoping for the best that we will meet again very soon in a new way. Our school classroom all are waiting for the teachers, for the students. We all are missing you very much. We all are waiting for you. So wholeheartedly again I am wishing you that happy Durga Puja to you all 2020. Enjoy in a safe way in this pandemic situation according to your own way, and also in a very nice way, and try to be concentrate in your work also and come with full energy and enthusiasm back to your studies after this puja vacation in a new way.
After a few days,
Thank you to everybody.
our best festival, Durga Puja, is coming. We all know that the goddess Durga is worship and respect. The goddess Durga symbolizes the image of solidarity. The Durga Puja celebration is a festival of good over evil, and goddess Durga is indication of solidarity or Shakti that prevails upon the evil presence. So students, enjoy your best festival and pray and destroy all bad situation. And remember one thing, for this situation, avoid gathering and keep maintain social distance. Thank you, students.
My dear
and
students,
enjoy
I think all of you are fine. On the auspicious occasions of Durga Puja, I wish that the festivities bring immense joy and happiness to you and also your family. Happy Durga Puja to all of you. My goddess Durga give you the strength to fight the good fight for these pandemic situations and overcome all the evils. Sending my special wishes for a joyous celebrations on the Durga Puja. Be safe always and take care of yourselves.
I extend my warm regards to all the students and their family members for Durga Puja. we all know the current situation of COVID-19, and we know that there are certain restrictions, but yes, that is not going to lower down the spirits of us in celebrating puja. Take proper precautions, okay? Take care, do enjoy your puja, but do take care of yourself, okay? So take proper precautions so that you don't get infected and you don't become a carrier of virus for someone else. So do follow the proper guidelines of the government, okay, when you are out and when you are even celebrating by staying at home. So may the blessings of God ensure lots of happiness and good health for you and your family members, and yes, we will surely overcome this tough situation. So stay healthy and stay safe. Happy Durga
Thanks
Puja
to
to
all.
everyone.